Welcome to our tutorial on how to mark all messages as read in Gmail on your PC. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to help you efficiently manage your unread emails in Gmail. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail on your PC by launching it from your browser or desktop shortcut. Step 2. Look for the More option located just below the search bar. Click on it to reveal additional actions. Step 3. Among the options displayed, click on Mark All as Read. This will mark all your unread emails as read, decluttering your inbox and helping you stay organized. By following these quick steps, you can easily mark all messages as read in Gmail on your PC, saving you time and ensuring that you don't miss any important emails. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials. Enjoy a more streamlined email management experience with Gmail's Mark All as Read feature.